Content warning. This story contains graphic description of violence and may be disturbing to some listeners. Listener discretion is advised. What if the person you trusted most turned out to be a cold-blooded killer? This is the harrowing tale of Naeena Sahni, a woman whose life was brutally cut short in one of India's most shocking murder cases, the Tandoor murder case. The night of July 2nd, 1995, was dark and oppressively quiet in Delhi. But that stillness would soon be shattered by an unspeakable act of violence. Naeena Sahni was a promising political worker and wife to Sushil Sharma, a man who wielded considerable power as a youth Congress leader. Their marriage, though presented as a facade of happiness, was a canvas streaked with infidelities and intense suspicion. Sushil's jealousy had reached a boiling point. He was convinced that Naeena was having an affair with a fellow Congress worker. That night, in a fit of uncontrollable rage, he confronted her. Naeena, sitting quietly in their apartment, had no inkling of the storm about to erupt. The confrontation turned violent quickly. Heated words were exchanged, fists clenched, and then a shot rang out. Sushil Sharma had fired 3 bullets into Naeena's body. Blood erupted from her wounds, staining the room in grisly shades of red. However, even death could not quench Sushil's vile rage. He was determined to erase all traces of his heinous act. He decided to dispose of her body in an unimaginable manner. He wrapped Naeena Sahni's lifeless and bloodied body in a white sheet, a grotesque shroud for his horrific crime. Under the cover of night, he transported her body to the Bagia restaurant's kitchen, owned by a friend. There, he encountered restaurant manager Keshav Kumar. Together, they hatched a plan that seemed to defy logic and humanity: burn her remains in a tandoor, a large clay oven. They placed Naeena's body inside the tandoor, and the flames roared to life. The intense heat began its gruesome task, but this monstrous act was too horrific to remain hidden. A police patrol, noticing excessive smoke emanating from the restaurant, intervened. What they discovered was beyond comprehension. As they opened the tandoor, a sickening stench filled the air, and they found charred human remains still burning inside. With the grisly discovery, suspicions quickly turned towards Sushil Sharma, who fled from the scene that very night. A nationwide manhunt ensued, and after several days of evasion, Sharma was finally apprehended in Bengaluru, hiding like a coward from the wrath he had unleashed. The court proceedings captured the nation's attention. Sushil Sharma, despite his numerous attempts to twist the narrative, was convicted. Initially sentenced to death in 2003, his sentence was later commuted to life imprisonment by the Supreme Court. In 2013, Sharma expressed a hollow remorse, claiming he regretted the murder, but his words were nothing more than an echo, lost in the winds of time. The Tandoor murder case remains one of the most disturbing and heart-wrenching crimes in India's history. It serves as a brutal reminder of the violence that jealousy, mistrust, and unbridled power can unleash. Thanks for listening. If you found this story as harrowing and fascinating as we did, please do like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment below on what part shocked you the most, or if there's another story you'd like us to cover next. Until next time, keep your ears sharp and your imagination wilder than the wilderness itself.